Class awards. The Beta Award, Jakiron Daniels. Another Beta Award, Chloe Foreman. Alpha Award, Gabby Fontaine. Alpha, highest average in math, highest average in reading and art, Mayleigh Gaines. Another Beta Award, Leanna Yulia. Alpha Award, Jackson Halferty. Alpha Award, highest average in language arts, highest average in reading and music, Morgan Loringer. Beta and PE Award, Kason Miller. Alpha and Citizenship Award, Brindley Molesky. Alpha Award, Caden Nelson. PE and Music Award, Brenda Pierce. Alpha Award, Mackenzie Reese. Beta Award, Mallory Reed. Alpha Award, Landon Richard. Beta and Citizenship, Cameron Shepard. Alpha and Music Award, Jamerica Terry Hawkins. Highest average in language arts, Wyatt Young. Good job. Thank you, Ms. Adams. Great job. Ms. Hill's class. I forgot to tell you before we started, if I butcher any of your family names, I totally apologize. I tried to practice before.